Rain is moving into parts of North Carolina there, and eventually we'll see that kind of moving inland toward the metro area here later tonight. Now, this area of low pressure is going to be a very slow mover, and it is going to strengthen over the next 24 hours and move inland a little bit and then to the north. So this could bring some significant coastal flooding to folks along the bay, the Outer Banks, and some of those areas. But for us, significant rain this far into town. This is through early Wednesday morning, 1 o'clock in the morning Wednesday. We can already have close to 2 inches in many areas, about 1.7 here in town by then. 2+ as you go east and southeast. And as we take the winds, we could have gusts in coastal areas and slightly inland between maybe 35 and 40, maybe even a little bit higher there, right along the bay and for folks on the eastern shore. So they could be accompanied by some gusty winds as well. That's tomorrow night and Wednesday. So the hour-by-hour forecast here, skies becoming mostly cloudy. Rain showers holding off until later on tonight and into tomorrow morning. Then waves of rain will start to intensify throughout tomorrow morning, and then waves of heavier rain during the day. Tomorrow could even be accompanied by a little thunder in some spots, and then we'll still have some showers into Wednesday. This is Wednesday morning, and then that low will start to lift out of here Wednesday afternoon, and we should see some clearing by Thursday. So a couple days of very unsettled weather, mostly cloudy though today, a little bit on the breezy side, 78. Rain moving in tonight, especially into tomorrow morning, 62 tonight, and then tomorrow just about 66, 68 on Wednesday with some showers still around. Thursday, I think we can start to see the clouds break up a bit. That 20% is for very early Thursday morning, and then we'll see lots of sunshine and warmer temperatures Friday with another chance for rain on Sunday. So the 7-day forecast is becoming